Hey bunnies, so for this video I'm zoomed in a little bit closer because I want to show you my winged liner, and from the title you'll see that I'm gonna be showing you a beginner friendly way to achieve the perfect winged eyeliner. Now, like, up to this day, like, it still takes me a good couple of tries to get a good wing liner, and you'll see in this video that I did have a little bit of problems using this product, but eventually I think I got it, you know, how it's supposed to be. The product that I'm using is from Kiss. It is their Wing It Eyeliner. It comes with a gel liner, i.Envy by Kiss gel liner in black. It comes with these little, I have makeup all over it, this little stencil, and then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 6 different wing styles, and the one that I used is the one that's called Drama. Now, the reason why I went Drama is because I'm wearing these really full lashes, and if I did any other one you wouldn't really see it, I don't think. But you have one called Classic, which is what I think you use for like every day if you're doing like a really natural look. You have Smooth, Drama, Glam, Flick, and Double Flick. Double Flick is for those, you know, out there, out of the box, exotic type of looks, if you want to go for that. It also comes with a little brush, an eyeliner brush, which I believe is like perfect to use with the gel liner. It's small, it fits perfectly into the grooves of the stencil. I'm trying to find, oh, here it is. And the eyeliner itself is very smooth, very creamy. It's a beautiful product. You get a lot in there as well. I don't think I'm going to be using this personally. I think I'm actually going to add this to my freelance makeup kit because it's like that good. I love it that much. As far as the stencils though, I might throw this in there for those events where I have like a bunch of people to do and I want to like knock it out really quickly. So when you're doing your makeup, you might want to do this first, like when you do your eye look first and then do foundation and everything else. What I did do after was go with my foundation underneath just to clean it up, and if you'll notice in the clip where I'm actually doing it that I put the stencil too low. You want to put it, I'm like shouting right now. You want to put your stencil, where is it? Up on the upper part of your lid, of your lash line, your lid. What is this? Your lid, your lash line. Whatever right here is, that's where you want to put it, up top. I had mine in the video where I'm doing it. I had it all the way down here. You don't want to put it there because you're gonna get, as you'll see in the video, it'll be like all the way smudgy down here. So you want to put it up in the angle that you want it to go. I wanted mine to go up, and so I put mine up. And when I was cleaning up around it with the foundation, it was like so easy to do. I didn't have any smearing or smudging or anything like that. I absolutely love this product. I give it a 5 out of 5. Like, the little stencils I think are genius, perfect. So if you are a beginner in makeup, even if you're like a pro in makeup and you just want to do something really quick, if winged eyeliner is not your thing, again, a beginner learning, you know, the little steps to achieve the makeup look you're going for, then this is the perfect tool for you. I did get this from my local beauty supply store. It was $6. They do have a bunch of other stuff like the eyebrow stencils and the they have the eyebrow kits, but I think this is the only eyeliner kit that they have, and again, it's by Kiss i.Envy. I will try to find a link for you online and leave it in the description bar below. Again, I did get it from my local beauty supply store, and it was $5.99. I'm trying to see if there was anything else. Let me try to put it back in the packaging for you, but it opens really easily from the top here. You don't have to cut anything open. And it was just like that. Eyeliner was here. Brush was here, and you could always leave it in this if you wanted to, like for traveling purposes, so nothing gets loose or missing. This was, I think, like this. This was like that. So when you first get it, this is what it's gonna look like. Okay, I hope you can see that really well. But that's what it looks like there with the eyeliner, the stencil in the back, and then the brush right here. If I'm looking here, it's because my mirror is here. I don't need to say that because you should already know that, right? Right. But yeah, so beginners, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you use this product, and if you do use it, let me know in the comment section below. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.